is with honors, Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Innovation Awardee, Research Awardee, First Place in Science Innovation Expo Team Category 2025 BSCF, RCF Qualifier, Conduct Award, Immersion Awardee. Haina Claire A. Salipon, with honors, Work Immersion
with high honors, Work Immersion Awardee, Performing Arts Special Awardee. Ivory Faith S. Laguna, with honors, Work Immersion Awardee, Performing Arts Special Awardee.
Dem na bayot.